is raining, but still have the guts or the mood to make a barbecue. So this is our barbecue, guys. Darling, you threw your things. Still making, what's that?
I'm just scared. I'm scared from the fire.
Still making the fire for a while. Wait, ah. So what?
Sick. Okay, that's more than it. You look to your hands and you touch your, and you wash it.
The barbecue transfer everywhere. In the sun. In the shop. Okay, now it's ready. Turn it off.
Okay.
It's done there, darling.
Here.
You also want
No, Daddy gonna put the table here where I stand.
We gaan nog altijd een film in.
Het is 1 minuut bezig.
Zeg jongen, dat moet er wel eens zijn.
Sava. Egg view.
gonna be bad. Okay, off again.
Yeah.